Hello and welcome back to Naughty Hooks. Last time we learned how to make a slip knot. Today we are going to learn how to make a chain. If you would like to see how I make my slip knot, head back to naughtyhooks.com, click on Stitch Tutorials and Slip Knot, and you can find it there. So a chain is pretty much just a continuation of that slip knot. We're going to yarn over and pull through. And again, yarn over just means that you're wrapping your yarn over your hook and then pull it through. Again, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. So a couple of things about our chain is it has a bit of anatomy. And that anatomy is front loops, back loops, and third loops are also known as the back bump. So let's talk about those real quick. And these loops along the top here, they are farthest from us, so they are called the back loops. These loops here along the bottom, they're closest to us, so they're called the front loops. If we move this over, we roll this over, you can see these loops here that go in and out the backs of our stitches, and those are called the third loop or the back bump. Those are the two most common names I have seen for them, and all three of these loops are workable, and you will see how I work all of those in the tutorials to come. If you're feeling adventurous, I encourage you to work into all of those stitches, all of those parts of the stitch anyway, that you can. And in our next video, I'll be teaching you how to single crochet. Again, click on Stitch Tutorials at naughtyhooks.com, or go to naughtyhooks.com, click on Stitch Tutorials, and I'm going to do that over.